Stop it!
Hello everyone, today we continue learning Python and today we'll work with Lambda expressions in Python. So let's start. Lambda expressions are special things in Python which helps you to define short functions. What I mean by it? Imagine that we have function def sum. So sum functions, it accepts a and b arguments and returns their sum, so a plus b for example. And let's call not sum but sum underscore, because we have function sum in Python and I don't want name repetition at all. So then let's call print sum like that, and let's call 1, 2. Let's run 3. So everything works fine now. But what if we want to change that function to be lambda expression? What we can do is let's call sum again equals to lambda a b, for example a plus b. So now what we do here, let's remove that function. What we do here, we created lambda expression with a and b parameters, and then we sum them and return them. So in every lambda expression there is a hidden return like that, but we don't write it because it's just not convenient at all, and we can use a plus b and return them. Now let's call sum again, let's run. As you can see, 3. Everything works fine. So we created a function, lambda function, right here, which accepts again a and b parameters and returns their sum. And again, there is a hidden return right here. So yeah, that's how it works actually. If I'll print 1 for example, what will happen is 1 and then none. Why we have none here? Because after we printed 1 in our function, we returned that function, so return print. And as you know, print, or as you don't know, print returns none. So nothing, none in Python. And because of that, when we print our sum function here, we receive none. Everything works fine. But actually it's not convenient for other users to read these expressions, and because of that, they are used only in map or filter functions in Python. And now let's introduce them. So imagine that you have a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, list with some numbers. And what if you need to multiply every number by 2? What you can do is call for I in range len from a, then a from I multiply equals by 2, and then let's print a to see the result. So every number is multiplied by 2, but that's not convenient at all. And we have map function in Python, so map like that. Map function simply applies another function to every element in your array. And how we can do this? So for example, I will call lambda x, and then x multiplied by 2, and then I will call it for a. So the first argument is the function, and what we can do actually it's we can call define sum with x, then print x, and we can, for example, remove lambda function from here and call sum like that. But it's not convenient at all, and when we use map, we use lambda. That's kind of rule, I think. Yeah. So let's remove that. So now what we do here, we have a list a, which is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we apply map function with lambda function in it, which simply returns an element x multiplied by 2. And then we use that lambda function for a array right here. So now everything works fine. And let's print our map function, but we will not see anything, because map function returns a generator. It returns a generator, but actually it returns a map object, and to translate that object to a list, you can simply call list, and yeah, that's all. So as you can see, everything works fine and every number is multiplied by 2. Actually, that's all about lambda functions, so they are pretty convenient if you want to use them, and you can use them without any parameters. So lambda 10 like that, let's print, or not, let's call a equals lambda, and then let's print a, or let's call a, yeah, like that. And as you can see, 10. So you can use them with parameters, without parameters, and yeah, they are actually pretty convenient. And that's all I can tell you. Good luck.
Stop it!